The 2014 Ford Escape. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, and power windows. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.